Hey guys, I'm Megan of @MomWithMegan over on Instagram. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I have a highly requested video for you today all about this beautiful bag. This is the Wallace Max Tote. This is the regular size. They do now make a smaller size available. And this bag is so cool because it has a lot of exterior pockets with this great Metro fabric. This is like a really lightweight, water resistant, stain resistant fabric that I love on Wallace bags, and I use a ton in my regular life. So let's just get started by talking about some of the exterior pocketing and the ways you can carry this bag. Obviously it has these great tote straps, which I find super comfortable, and they really don't slip off or move from my shoulder. And there is a slip pocket here in the front. On the side there are two, what I refer to as bottle pockets, one here and then obviously one on the other side. And I'll talk about what size or kinds of bottles those can hold in just a minute. On the back of the bag there is a magnetic slip pocket that runs the whole length of the bag, and at the bottom there is a zipper, so you could unzip it and put this over the top of your rolling luggage. And then just in front of that pocket there is also another really long deep slip pocket, which I find is great for carrying my phone, and it's really safe down there. And now, in addition to these really comfortable straps, there is also a removable and adjustable messenger strap. Now I actually really like to carry this bag over the shoulder using that strap, but you could also make it much longer and go crossbody with this bag. Now I am a mom of 3 little kids, so that is how I'm going to show you this bag packed up today for them and my stuff as well. So let me show you by flipping the camera down what I have inside this awesome bag. Okay, we'll start with going around the outside pockets of the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the messenger strap so it doesn't click around a whole bunch for us. It does attach right there. So in this front pocket, it is rather deep. It goes like more than halfway down the bag. And in here, I do have just a hand sanitizer. Obviously that's really important right now to have. On this side of the bag, I do have a Munchkin sippy cup, which is a pretty wide top cup, and it does fit in there really well. And on the other side, I have a Swell traveler bottle, which again is like kind of the fatter of the Swell water bottle family. And because this bag is so smushy, it just slides in there really easily, and you can't even see it from the side, which I like. In the back pockets here, I showed you I like to keep my phone. And then in this very back pocket, this is the one that goes to the bottom. Just wanted to show you, this is my MacBook, and it does fit in that back pocket, but it does stick up to the top of the bag, so I can't magnetize it closed, but a smaller computer would fit in there. It does have probably an inch more room here on the side as well. This zipper is one of those that's kind of exactly like the medium Metro tote if you have one of those by Wallace, and the zipper kind of sinks into the bag. So I'm just gonna reach in and grab what I have. I do generally pack with pouches, and this is the pouch that comes with the bag. It is larger than the pouch that comes with the medium Metro tote. And in here right now, I just have some necessities for the baby. Some wipes, a couple diapers. I honestly don't carry that much anymore, also because we're not leaving the house a lot right now. But that does fit in there really, really nicely, and I love the way it matches. And that's the largest pouch in there that I have. The next one would probably be this. This is by Lily Jade pouch. I also have a link to shop with me in my description box for this company. I love this pouch because it's see-through, and I just have little toys for on the go for my older kids. And in the very middle, I am carrying, this is my wallet. It's also doubles as a wristlet and has a crossbody strap that goes with it. I love this bag. I love this little bag so much because it is really lightweight and it is flat, so it takes up very little room for a wallet, I feel like. And then at the very bottom, I have another Wallace pouch. This came with a different bag, and it's the small size. And in here, I just have some extra clothes for the kids. There is a Fantastic Key Leash, which is a huge reason I love these bags. I just feel like the length of the key leash, it all just works really well. So on there, I just am keeping, obviously, my keys. And then there's the pocketing system you're used to on Wallace bags. So this back zipper pocket here also has 2 interior pockets that I'm not particularly using right now because I've just thrown in some snacks for the kids. And then on the front side of the bag, there are 2 more slip pockets. And in one, I just have a pacifier for the baby. And in the other, a little lip gloss. And that's it. That's everything I've been keeping in the Max Tote by Wallace. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed learning more about the Max Tote from MZ Wallace. This color is the beautiful blush camo. I love the colors of this bag, and if you want to shop this bag or similar bags, go ahead and use the link in my description box below. DM me on Instagram at @momwithmegan if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in a video super soon. Bye!